still making it. Like the previous video and still making it. There's like a few guys. My video friend. So I would really should begin.
Remember to grab your stuff out for stuffing.
I know that, Mom, I know. And yeah, you guys. It's gonna be really good for you guys, but I'll be here. But hold on. Pretty much just fixing it up. I'm still tired of poo. Be back in a second. Hey, talking. You guys videos? Because I hope not. Because everybody's I'll be freaking king. That's just stupid. And guess what? We're going to be finishing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got my iron little track racer. That's pretty cool, huh?